Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Christian Dupine. In the earlier video, we have solved the first 10 problems of the part B of CMI MSc 2018 data science paper. In this video, we are going to solve the last 10 problems, question number 11 to question number 20 of this paper. So let's begin. Description of the following 4 questions. An ice cream company mainly operates in the 5 southern states of India. The pie chart shows the breakdown of revenues in percentage for the ice cream company over the last summer. The bar chart shows the detail of breakdown for strawberry flavor by states in lakhs of rupees. The first question is question number 11. What are the total sales of the strawberry flavor? So we can see the sales of strawberry flavor is given in the bar chart. So for Tamil Nadu it is 20 lakhs, for Kerala it is 15 lakhs, for Karnataka it is 25 lakhs, for Andhra it is 10, and for Telangana it is 30. So if you add this, we will get 100 lakhs. So the total sales of strawberry is 100 lakhs of rupees. Question number 12. What is the total revenue for the ice cream company? In the pie chart, it is given that 30% of the total sales is for the strawberry flavor, and the total sales of strawberry flavor is 100 lakhs of rupees. So from this relation, we can take that total revenue of the ice cream company is 100 lakhs into 30% is strawberry, so 100 by 30. So it is 1000 by 3, which is 333.33 lakhs of rupees. Question number 13. What are the total sales of the chocolate flavor? The chocolate flavor sales is 26% of the total sales. We can see in this pie chart. So total sales is 1000 divided by 3, and of this 26%. So it is 260 by 3, which is 86.67 lakhs of rupees. So total sales of chocolate flavor is 86.67 lakh. Question number 14. If you assume that the chocolate flavor and the strawberry flavor are sold in the same proportion across the 5 states, then what are the sales of chocolate in Tamil Nadu? Suppose in Tamil Nadu, chocolate sales is suppose of X lakhs of rupees. Then the proportion is same for chocolate and strawberry. In Tamil Nadu, chocolate sales is X, and for chocolate flavor, the total sales is 260 by 3. Here in Tamil Nadu, the sales of chocolate is 20 lakhs of rupees. We can see from the bar graph. So it is 20 divided by total sales of strawberry flavor, which is 100 lakhs. If you solve this, you will get X equal to 52 by 3, which is 17.33 lakhs of rupees. In Tamil Nadu, the sales for chocolate flavor is of 17.33 lakhs of rupees. Question number 15. A square piece of paper ABCD of side length 1 is folded along the segment that connects the upper right corner B and the midpoint Q of the left edge AD as shown in the figure. What is the vertical distance between the base edge segment DC and the point B? So if we drop a vertical line from P upon DC, suppose give it a name N, we have to calculate the length of PN. What is the length of PN? Okay, so draw a perpendicular from P on AD and BC. Suppose give it a name X and Y. Now this angle is actually this angle, so this is a 90 degree, this is a right angle. If this angle is theta, then this is 90 minus theta, then this angle is theta, and this is also 90 minus theta. We can say that the triangle PXQ is similar to triangle BYP. According to the property of similar triangle, we can write that the edges which is opposite to the right angle. So in the triangle PXQ, the edge opposite to the right angle is QP, and in this triangle BYP, this is BP, and then we will write the edges which is opposite to the angle theta. So in this triangle this is QX, and in this triangle this is PY. Now QP, this length QP is actually same as AQ, and AQ is half of the total length AD. So total length is 1, So QP is half. BP is actually equal to AB, so BP is 1. We will write QX and here PY. So we will get the relationship PY equal to 2QX. Okay. Now for the triangle PBY, if we apply the Pythagoras theorem, we will get BP square is equal to PY square plus BY square. Now BP is equal to 1 square. PY equal to, we have written that 2QX. So we are writing 4QX square plus BY is actually BC minus CY. So we will write BC minus CY whole square. Now 1 equal to 4QX square plus BC is 1, and this CY length is same as the length PN, which we have to find out. So we can write CY is equal to PN, so we are writing PN. Okay. Now this QX equal to QD minus DX whole square plus 1 minus PN whole square. QD is equal to half, and this dx length is same as Pn. If we simplify this, we will get 5Pn square minus 6Pn plus 1 equal to 0. If you factorize this, you will get 5Pn minus 1 into Pn minus 1 equal to 0. So Pn equal to either 1 by 5 or 1. If Pn equal to 1, this is not possible if this length is equal to 1, but this total length is also 1, so this is not possible. So Pn must be equal to 1 by 5. So the length which we were finding is Pn equal to 1 by 5. This is the answer. Question number 16. A Boolean value is a value from the set true, false. A tertiary Boolean function is a function that takes 3 Boolean values as input and produces a Boolean value as output. F and G are tertiary Boolean functions. We say that F and G are neighbors if F and G agree on at least one input triple and disagree on at least one input triple. That is, there exists a triple XYZ such that F XYZ equal to G XYZ and a triple X dash Y dash Z dash such that F X dash Y dash Z dash not equal to G X dash Y dash Z dash. We fix a tertiary Boolean function H. How many neighbors does H have? F is a tertiary Boolean function which takes X, Y, Z. These are all Boolean values and it returns a Boolean value which may be true or false. Now this X value, this X can take two values, true or false. Same as Y can take two values, true or false. Z can take two values, true or false. So total number of combination so that X, Y, Z can exist is 2 to the power 3, 2 cube, this is 8. So total 8 combinations of X, Y, Z is possible. Suppose G is a neighbor to H. We have to find how many neighbors does H have. So G is a neighbor of H, neighbor to H. If we find that if you pick any XYZ, any combination of XYZ among these 8, if GXYZ equal to HXYZ for all, then it violates the condition that there exists one XYZ such that FXYZ not equal to GXYZ. So this cannot be possible. Again, suppose if we take the case where GXYZ not equal to HXYZ for all XYZ, then again it violates the condition that there exists a triple XYZ such that F equal to G. So this is also not possible. So among the total 8 cases, there may be one case where G and H agrees and other cases does not agree. There may be 2 cases where G and H agree and others G and H do not agree. So how many of these can be possible? We can choose from 8 cases there are 1, from 8 cases there is 2, such that from 8 cases there can be 7 agrees and 1 disagree. There must be at least 1 agree and there must be at least 1 disagree. That means at most 7 agrees. So we have to get this sum only. If you calculate this sum, this will be 2 to the power 8 minus 8C0 minus 8C8. So this is 256 minus 1 minus 1. So it is 254. So H can have neighbors. Total number of neighbors can H have 254. This is the answer. Description for the following 4 questions. A golf club has M members with serial numbers 1 to M. If members with serial numbers I and J are friends, then Aij equal to Aj equal to 1, otherwise equal to 0. By convention, AII is equal to 0. That means a person is not considered a friend of himself or herself. A to the power Kij refer to the ijth entry in the kth power of the matrix A. It is given that A to the power 9 Ij, this is greater than 0 for all pairs Ij, where 1 less than equal to I, j less than equal to m, and a square 1 2, this is greater than 0, a to the power 4 1 3, this is equal to 0. Then which of the following are necessarily true? Question number 17. Member 1 and member 2 have at least one friend in common. Given a square 1 2, this is greater than 0. This means a square 1 2. What is a square 1 2? This is the 1/2th member of the matrix A square. So this means there exists at least one x such that a 1x is greater than 0 and a x2 is greater than 0, because how we get a square? If we multiply a with a, this is the a square, this is the 1/2th entry is this one, this is the 1/2th entry. How we get this? We'll get this if we multiply the first row of this A matrix and the second column of this A matrix. Then there exists a x in common for which a1x greater than 0 and ax2 greater than 0. So there exists at least one x such that this is true, and if this is true, that means that this x, the member x, is a common friend to members 1 and member 2. So this is true. Question number 18. A square ii greater than 0 for all I 1 to m. If I has a friend, then a square ii obviously greater than 0 pi, because this is the ith entry, that means the diagonal entry of the matrix A square. So we are getting this if we multiply the ith row of A and the second day ith column. This is true. If I has no friend, then there will be a time when a to the power m ij equal to 0 for all m and for all j, because if I has no friend, then for all a ij equal to 0. So if we again and again multiply this, we will get a to the power m ij equal to 0. But there is a condition given here that a to the power 9 ij is greater than 0 for all ij. I have written that if I has no friend, this is not possible. So this is also true. Question number 19. Given m less than equal to 9, consider the extreme case when everyone is friend to everyone. Then this is given a to the power 9 ij. This is greater than 0 for all ij. This does not depend on m. So the value of m can be anything, but obviously greater than 0. So this case is false. Question number 20. Given m greater than equal to 6. Now there is a condition given here that a to the power 4 1 3 is equal to 0. That means the 1/3th entry of the matrix a to the power 4, that is equal to 0. So that means the smallest chain that links members 1 and 3 is of length 5. Otherwise, a to the power 4 of 1 3, this should be greater than 0. But this is equal to 0. So that means the smallest chain that links members 1 and 3 is of length 5. Now, to be of length 5, there need at least 6 members. Because if we want to link members 1 and 3 with of length 5, then we need at least 6 members. That means m is greater than equal to 6. So this is true. So I have completed all the 20 questions of the part B. So this paper is completed. In the next video, I will do the MSQMS 2016 paper. So stay tuned for that. Please press the like button if you liked it. Share this with your friends and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.